Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, and today we're gonna make you a nice, lovely Thursday evening recipe: Bolognese. Spaghetti and Bolognese goes really well. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and hopefully we can come with more and best and better in the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So basically, I'm gonna show you how you can make a lovely spaghetti bolognese at home from Chef Ricardo. First of all, you need white onion, cut into half, and I'm gonna use half. Straight inside of a frying pan, like this one right here. Lovely. Put one garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4 cloves of garlic. Two spots of spring onion, washed off. Two medium-sized medium-sized tomato. Nice one. Then next is to put this on the stove. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. So right here, medium-sized heat, put on the stove, and a pinch of oil. Fry it up this about 2 seconds. Nice one. So right here I'm gonna put beans. Lovely. This is 500 grams of British beef mince. Really good. Give it a lovely start. So what we're gonna do, put a little season to it. A little bit of mixed herb. Just a teaspoon of mixed herb. Teaspoon of meat season. A lot of flavor to it. And a teaspoon of all-purpose season. A little bit of coarse pepper. A lovely start. keep stirring it for up to about 4 to 3 seconds until you get brown off that meat. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see the way it look, I just brown it off and it's looking lovely and nice. You see? Chef Ricardo cooking that style of meat at home. Alright, then we have a bottle of onion and garlic pasta sauce. I'm gonna yeah, that's usually what I've done. Lovely. Then we're gonna put a little bit of ketchup. Just to bring up the flavor, you know? Give it a lovely stir. Then cover it on a medium-sized heat for another 10 minutes. Nice and lovely, look at that, guys. So basically this is almost finished. So what we're gonna do is just gonna add a little bit of sweet corn in it. Give it a lovely stir like this. Three more minutes. I'm ready. This is finished. Now I'm gonna just simply show you what's going on, guys. Nice and lovely. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and this is how you cook a Bolognese at home. Really nice. You can serve with spaghetti or pasta. See you next time. Bye bye.